simple recipe of chocolate dry fruit clusters, and this recipe is so simple and tasty, which is enjoyed by one and all. I'm using Mode dark compound for this. This is very easily available in the market. You can even use milk compound, or if you don't like chocolate compounds, you can use the regular chocolate that is available in the market. So I've already chopped this one, 250 grams of dark compound chocolate, and half the quantity, that is 125 grams of mixed nuts. I've added walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds and raisins. You can pretty much add any nuts of your choice. So now I'll be melting the chocolate over a double boiler or a Bradbury. I'll just show you how. You can even melt the chocolate in a microwave using a microwavable safe bowl. A double boiler is over a pan of hot water or boiling water. We keep the bowl in which we have kept the chocolate and let the chocolate melt with the steam of the water. So that's the funda of the double boiler. We can see the chocolate has started melting, and it will just take a few minutes before it completely melts. We have to keep the pan on low to medium heat, and we have to keep stirring the chocolate so that it does not burn, because chocolate burns very easily, so you have to be very careful with this. The chocolate has almost melted and it's good to go. So we'll put off the gas and it's done. So just take a look at our melted chocolate. So rich and tasty. We have to let the chocolate cool before adding nuts to it. Look at this consistency. It's very smooth and nice. And I've roasted my nuts, so roasting gives a better flavor to it, but if you don't want them roasted, you can even leave the roasting part out of it. So we'll be adding the dry fruit in the chocolate. You can even reduce the quantity of dry fruit if you want, depending upon your taste. Just give it a good mix. So I'll be adding more of it. Mix it nicely so that each and every nut is coated with chocolate. Again, you have to make sure that the chocolate is not very hot, because otherwise it won't set, and neither it's too cold because it wouldn't be able to attain the proper shape. So it's done, and over a parchment paper or a baking paper, I'm just going to pour this chocolate mixture to form a cluster. You can make the size of the clusters the way you like it. It can be small clusters or big clusters depending upon your liking and the portion size of chocolate you want to eat. So I'm going to do it with the rest of my chocolate, and after making these clusters, we'll be keeping them in the refrigerator for just a few minutes to set. So I've just taken out these clusters from the refrigerator and they are all set. I'm just going to plate them. Take a look how beautiful this is looking. The dry fruit chocolate clusters are ready to eat. They contain dark compound chocolate and dry fruits, which are super healthy and they are super tasty. So you have to try these for sure and enjoy them with your friends and family. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye-bye.